away in the serene hills near Rishikesh, Patna Waterfall is a lesser known but breathtaking natural escape. Named after the nearby village of Patna, this waterfall is a refreshing retreat for trekkers, nature lovers, and anyone looking to experience the quieter side of Rishikesh. Patna Waterfall is located about 6 to 7 kilometers from Lakshman Jhula on the Neelkanth Mahadev Road. You will pass through Garud Chatti Temple and passes through a forested path offering beautiful views of the valley and occasional glimpses of wildlife. Unlike roaring falls, Patna Waterfall is more about its peaceful, scenic beauty than sheer power. The water cascades gently down a rocky cliff, especially prominent during and after the monsoon season. The surrounding limestone formations and the lush greenery make it an excellent spot for photography, meditation, or simply unwinding in nature. During the dry season, the flow reduces significantly, but the charm of the trek and the tranquility of the place remains intact.